This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me.
Hey everybody, it's Jimmy with Rome Overland Outfitters. Today's vehicles, actually, you might think you're seeing doubles, but you're not. It actually came to be that these two vehicles showed up at the same time. They're both clients. They're both getting bumpers. This one over here is getting the Phantom Metaltech bumper up front with a Trail FX 12,000 pound winch. And we'll show you guys how that one comes out. It is a stage 1. And this one here is getting two bumpers. They're Amazon bumpers, and we're getting a light bar and a Trail FX winch on there. So what we're going to do is do a walk around on these vehicles and show you them both before, and then we'll show you the process and then the after, of course. And it's just so odd that these things both have the same type of wheel, same exact look. So can't wait to get to it, guys, and thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Praying to a God that won't talk back. Her faith is dying, the tears are sighing, she's going off track. Praying to a God that won't talk back, won't talk back. Down on the knees here, praying to a God that won't talk back. Hey. Mama believed that the devil had a dress on, so she's out on the town tonight. She got her best on. Daddy believed that the needle was a highway, so she powders her nose. She just looking for the right shade. It's hard to feel friction underwater. She's breaking down, tearing at the border. And too deep to save herself, she takes a pill that seems to help. Close her eyes and picture standing at the altar. She's praying to a God that won't talk back. Her faith is dying, the tears are sighing, she's going off track. Praying to a God that won't talk back, won't talk back. Down on the knees here, praying to a God that won't talk back. Hey. hard to feel the friction underwater. She's breaking down, tearing at the border. And too deep to save herself, she takes a pill that seems to help. Close her eyes and picture standing at the altar.